Hello. Continuing on this journey of emotional intelligence, today's theme is how do we develop awareness about people around us? If you recall, when I talked about what emotional intelligence is, I had mentioned that it's not only about you, but also about people around you. How do you understand their emotional state? And from that emotional state, from that understanding, how do you help them to become more emotionally intelligent themselves? Because that's the essence of emotional intelligence, as I would say. So the first step in this journey of understanding others would be with people. As and when you get opportunities to be with people, be with them. Because without being with people, you don't have any chance of understanding them at all. After you are being with people, the second important step can be observe people. Just a mere observation of people around you, you will notice that you start understanding what might be their drivers, what might be their internal world which is making them conduct and behave in a certain way. So start observing. That means keep your eyes and ears open. Third important step would be listen to them. And as you understand, the word that I'm using here is listening, not hearing. Because in listening, you go into deeper understanding. You pay attention to their body language, you pay attention to their tone, you also pay a lot of attention to the choice of words they are making. And a combination of these can help you to understand what are the feelings they are presenting in their communication. And after you have understood those feelings, you can reflect them back to those people and see where are the opportunities to help and support them. And the last one in this journey of understanding others would be empathize with them. What is the simple meaning of empathizing? Empathizing simply means that you help and support other people in rising from those emotions which are draining their energy, which are pulling them back. That is where empathy works. You help them to rise up. That is the ultimate dimension of empathy, that you are enabling them to bounce back from the situations that they are facing and the emotions they are experiencing. So to develop awareness of others, 4 ideas that I've just shared. 1, be with people. 2, observe them. 3, listen to them. And the last one is empathize with them. Tomorrow I'll share with you some stories about empathy, which will be actually the game changer about understanding others.